Why were young girls dressed in white flipping their hair in a strange ritual to welcome Donald Trump? Is this just culture or is there something darker behind it? Hair flipping isn't just a part of dance moves. It has deep spiritual roots. In many ancient religions, women were told to let their hair loose while dancing because in those pagan beliefs, untying the hair meant you were opening yourself spiritually, removing shame and becoming free for the gods or spirits to enter you. This was seen in rituals of the Greeks, Romans and even pre-Islamic Arabs. Hair flipping was used to please false gods, to enter a state of trance or to invite spiritual powers. So when we see girls today doing the same, we have to ask, are we just copying entertainment or are we unknowingly reviving ancient rituals?
وقرن في بيوتكن ولا تبرجن تبرج الجاهلية الأولى وأقمنا الصلاة وآتينا الزكاة وأطعنا الله ورسوله إنما يريد الله ليذهب عنكم الرجس أهل البيت ويطهركم تطهيرا.
Now let's talk about the white clothes. In Islam, white is a pure color, but in pagan rituals, it had a different meaning. Young girls were made to wear white dresses not to protect them, but to showcase them. These dresses made them look holy, but also made their movements more visible during dance. They were seen as symbols of innocence, offered in rituals of fertility, goddess worship, and even sacrifices. So while people clap and say what a beautiful tradition, they don't realize it's not a tradition from Islam. It's a tradition from the times of Shirk and Jahiliyyah, where girls were used as tools in spiritual drama. What's more painful is this. Most of the time, the ones doing these dances are young girls, teenagers, sometimes even children, and instead of protecting them, society is putting them in front of cameras in public shows, dressed in white, flipping their hair, moving their bodies, for leaders, guests, and for applause. This is not honoring them, this is objectifying them, just like how pagan societies did. But didn't Allah send Islam to put an end to all this? The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "You will follow the ways of those who came before you. Even if they entered a lizard's hole, you will still follow them." This is exactly what is happening. We copy everything from non-Muslims, their rituals, their music, and even their pagan customs, and we call it culture. But Islam did not come to copy others. It came to end the false traditions.
الذين آتيناهم الكتاب يتلونه حق تلاوته أولئك يؤمنون به ومن يكفر به فأولئك هم الخاسرون. يا بني إسرائيل اذكروا نعمتي التي أنعمت عليكم وأني فضلتكم على العالمين واتقوا يوما لا تجزي نفس عن نفس شيئا ولا يقبل منها عدل ولا تنفعها شفاعة ولا هم ينصرون.
This isn't just about a dance, it's about our identity. It's about how far we are willing to go to please the West. Even reviving pagan rituals to welcome the same man who is responsible for a genocide. Trump did not come as a friend, he came with power and we bowed. with drums, hair, and smiles.